For Carly's informal assessment, I reviewed data from her formal assessment, which revealed deficits in the area of cognition. I chose to conduct an informal assessment on coin identification and value to assess her present level of performance on this functional cognitive skill. This assessment required Carly to identify coins, identify the number of like coins in a mixed group of coins, identify the value of coins, and add the value of like coins. Each item was worth 1 point for a total of 16 points. Each item was scored correct or incorrect based on Carly's performance on each probe item. When beginning the assessment, Carly was cooperative and seemed excited about the activity. As the skills became more difficult, Carly began to show signs of frustration and overstimulation and began to engage in self-stimulatory behaviors, including rocking, flapping her ears with her fingers, and vocalizing. I do feel she put forth her best effort but became overwhelmed and uninterested when she did not understand the demands being placed on her. Based on this assessment activity, Carly was able to identify a penny, nickel, dime, and quarter by pointing to the correct coin upon request. When asked how many of each coin, Carly was able to successfully count the number of pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters in a group of mixed coins and relay the answer using her AAC device. When asked to identify the value of each coin, Carly correctly identified the value of a penny, but was unable to identify the value of a nickel, dime, or quarter. Carly was then asked to add the value of like coins. Carly was able to add the value of the pennies, but was unable to add the value of the nickels, dimes, and quarters. Carly correctly completed 10 out of 16 assessment items for a total percentage correct of 63%. Carly displayed strengths in identifying coins and counting the number of like coins. She displayed weaknesses in identifying the value of coins and adding the value of like coins. I feel this assessment was beneficial in helping me understand Carly's grasp on money sense and gave me insight to where her current skill set in this area lies. This will allow me to plan further instruction in this area and determine what underlying cognitive skills are still lacking which prohibit Carly from correctly performing in the deficit areas. In hindsight, I see that Carly did not have a sufficient base knowledge to allow her to identify the value of coins or add the value of like coins. Though this gave me important insight into her functional ability with these skills, I feel it would have caused Carly less frustration if these skills would have not been assessed. If redoing this assessment, I would have stopped the administration of the test items when Carly was unable to successfully identify the value and would not have asked her to add the value of like coins, as she demonstrated when not being able to identify the coin value, that she would not be able to complete the next section due to limited skill level. Since reviewing the diagnostic summary, I do feel that there is a correlation between Carly's current skills and those exhibited at the time of her last formal evaluation. Though I feel Carly has made remarkable improvements since her last comprehensive evaluation and has lessened the gap between her present level of cognitive functioning to that of same-age peers, she continues to experience significant deficits in this area. Therefore, I feel this assessment provided valuable information on her present level of cognitive functioning and was beneficial in helping provide an understanding of deficit skills which will help drive future instruction.